it's Matt. I'm the star of the Morning Announcements TV crew here at Fred's Middle School. Each morning, I entertain over 600 students with my morning magic show. It's quite the performance. You know what else is magical? Control Chief. They are magical. We partner with Control Chief in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Control Chief manufactures custom wireless remote controls for businesses throughout the U.S. and around the world. They also provide unique solutions for overhead doors, conveyors, gates, and other equipment. Their cutting-edge innovations allow businesses to be more productive and provide safety for the company.
This is a very unique manufacturing operation that we have here, is because we build custom products. So we're not doing the same thing every day. We're doing small quantities of highly technical type assembly and building, new products. We always have the challenges of coming up with better ways to do things. We build our own fixtures, we solve our own problems. So even if the product is designed, the engineering doesn't stop in that aspect. So there's new opportunities every day to enhance the manufacturing process.
In this little remote control, it's called our Access 1000. You can control up to 1,000 doors from one transmitter. So that's very unique in the industry, and actually the Bradford Fire Department uses it for their fire trucks.
Let's go check this out.
So here we have the Access remote from Control Chief. This remote works so well that it can open the doors from 250 feet away, and we can select what door we want on both stations. And sometimes we open them from so far away that people think it's magic.
That's pretty magical. Control Chief makes magic happen, and that's what's so cool about manufacturing. On that note, it's time for me to disappear.